What's up guys, and welcome back to yet another episode of Game On Garage. Today we will be continuing our brake upgrade on our Racecar MX-5 by installing some braided brake lines. Again, I'd just like to say a huge thank to Stockish. You can find them on the link below for helping out on our brake upgrade. They are by far the best priced company out there, so hit them up. You get yourself some brake upgrades to stay safe out there and show them some love. Thanks again, Stockish. So this kit does come with everything you need, including your new braided brake line. They've got a whole lot of colors to choose from, as well as a new banjo bolt, and of course your washers. You need 2 of these for each side. They are very important, otherwise your brakes will leak and you will have some problems. So if you're wondering how we got here, go check out our previous video, which will be linked right over here. But to do the brake line install, start off with a 12mm to remove the top banjo bolt. Just have a towel or something ready close by, because this will start leaking immediately. Now we can remove the caliper, which will also still be filled with brake fluid, of course. Then on the other end of the line, there will be a retaining clip, something like this. Next, you'll need a number 10 spanner to undo the hard line. So with our new braided line connected to our hard line, it's time to get the line reconnected to the caliper. Remember to use 2 new crusher washers, 1 on each side, so it's banjo bolt, washer, brake line, washer, like that, and then into the caliper. And with the banjo bolt nice and tight, we can refit the caliper. So with our brand new braided brake hose back on and our caliper back on, it's time to put these wheels back on. Side note, these wheels will go back on for their last time. And there we go guys, another easy safety upgrade for any car that will get driven hard. Replacing your rubber brake hoses with some braided lines will enhance your pedal feel, enable you to drive more accurately on track. Just remember to bleed your brakes afterwards, as we definitely did lose some fluid in the process. Something really nice that goes with it is upgrading your rotors, and you can check out our previous video for that. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, maybe consider subscribing if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more race car projects. Next up is going to be even more brake upgrades with our brake pads coming in soon. In the meantime, remember, it's not game over, it's game on.